In this video, I'm going to show you how to change also skin. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any navigator. I'm using a Google Chrome, but you can use any navigator. So what you need to do is come on search bar and search also cursor skins. You'll come on this website or any website that you want to use. So after doing that, you select the skin that you want to use. So I will use this one just for example. Click right here, download. Click and you will download this file. Now you just need to click and install the file. Just click right here that you will install the cursor. After doing that, open your OSO. Okay, come on the main page, click on OSO button, options, and you will see right here this option, this pencil. Click skin, and here you will see current skin. Just click and change to the skin that you already installed. So just click on the skin that you will change your OSO skin. I hope I help you how to change OSO skin. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.